Hello everyone. I am starting by teaching English. And this my first lesson. Let's go. Put on. Put on. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Take off. Take off. Take off your jacket. Take off your jacket. Take off your jacket. Carry on. Carry on your work. Carry on your work. Carry on your work. Just follow me if you want to learn English. Thank you.